Your cases, opportunities, and all customer records are landing safely into Salesforce. And it is time for a monthly sprint. If you're planning to manually go through every detail and create an Excel sheet, then I have something to fast track your work. Hello, I'm Shrey, and this is Getting Started with Salesforce. Instead of going through endless spreadsheets or waiting for updates, you can open Salesforce and instantly see which deals are closing, which reps are leading, and where the pipeline needs attention. That's the power of reports and dashboards in Salesforce, where you can see real-time insights of all your records. Every action that takes place in a team can be represented in reports as statistical data, and all such reports can be viewed in a personalized dashboard of a user. So before wasting any time, let me show you how to set up basic reports and dashboards in Salesforce and customize them as per your business needs. Salesforce reports are usually visible on the home page of your org. But if you're on any other application, just navigate to App Launcher and search for reports, and you'll find it right here. Click to open and it will lead you to the Reports tab. Here, you can see all your existing reports, such as the ones created by you, private reports, public reports, etc. Salesforce provides you with some standard reports that you can use to look into specific data. Let me show you some of these standard reports. Here is a report of all new leads, which a sales team can use to get an idea of how many new leads were captured recently. You can also set a date filter to see leads that were logged in during a certain period. If you scroll down, there is also a tabular report of the same data, and it has all the information of the leads, source of lead, their emails, etc. Similarly, there is a report for open cases. Here, you can see how many cases are open along with their priority. For example, there are 120 cases open with medium priority, 24 with low, 28 with high, and lastly 8 cases with critical. You don't have to manually count the cases anymore or check each one to get the case details. Below this report is a tabular compilation of all these open cases. Let's look at one more example. All one opportunity report, which is the number of opportunities that you have closed. It is again divided weekly, so you can see how your team is performing. Now, if you want to customize a standard report, you can use the edit feature provided by Salesforce and filter what you want to see. Let's try it out on this opportunity report I have over here. To edit this report, you need to click on the edit button on the top right corner. A report builder will open up and you can customize the report here. Most of the things are already done by Salesforce, so you can check the left panel and find filters. I want to see the opportunity data of last financial year and see how many opportunities were closed, so I'm changing the close date in the filter. And here, as you can see, the report is updated with the data required. And not only this, you can also apply formulas automatically to your reports. For example, the amount column here has various options. Suppose I want to see the sum of all amounts. So I just have to click on it, and as we scroll down, we can see the total amount. If you want to customize your reports with a different visualization, then you can edit the format as well. Click on the settings icon and change the visual representation to whatever you think will be easy to understand. And save. My report is changed to a funnel representation and the opportunities of last financial year are all visible here. Now suppose these standard templates do not fit your needs, or you might need to add multiple records which are not specified in standard reports. For such customizations, Salesforce allows you to create a custom report. To create a custom report, go to the Reports tab and click on the New Report over here. Let's create a custom report for cases. Search for cases and select it to get started. Now Salesforce has compiled a few columns in a tabular report here. All the records related cases are pre-selected. Suppose I want to show the status of each case, so I'm selecting another column from the group tab here, and it will automatically update the table to show the status column. You can also select the filters for cases, date, time, etc. And from here, you can change the format of the report, click on chart and choose the graphical representation that you like. Once done, click on save and run. Give your report a name and select the folder where you want to save it and finish. You have successfully created a custom report. Now let's see what dashboards look like in Salesforce. A dashboard is basically a collection of all your reports and visual components like charts or tables. With dashboards, you don't have to search for each report individually and can view them all in one place for faster access to key business performance indicators. In the left panel, you can browse through dashboards created by you or private dashboards, etc. Each user has a different dashboard. Here's an example of what a CEO's dashboard looks like. They have access to all organizational data divided in different graphs and charts here. Here you can see marketing pipeline, sales pipeline, cases by channel, revenue. Everything is here for the CEO to see what is going on in the business and reports of each department. Now let's look at the dashboard of a service executive. We have first contact resolution, SLA compliance, escalation rate, etc. You can also see the open cases report here. All the basic information that a service executive will need is right here on their dashboard. For a sales rep as well, there is a dashboard. And remember, the dashboard which I'm showing you here are the standard dashboards that a user can create by themselves. Sales reps can see their closed business, pipeline, activities, etc. on their dashboard. In dashboards, you don't have to worry about outdated data if something is updated within any record. Either you can go to an individual report and refresh here to see the latest data, or you can refresh the whole dashboard from here to update each report all at once. You can also edit your dashboard by clicking on the edit button here and choose which reports you want to see, or add anything through the widget button like a chart, image, or text and save. Now, if you want to create your custom dashboard, you can do that as well. Just click on New Dashboard, give it a name, description, and select the folder where you want to save it. Once saved, you can add the reports or charts using the widget functionally. Search for the report you want to add and choose how you want it to be displayed. In funnel format, table format, etc. Repeat this to add all the reports to your dashboard. And then click the Save button. Refresh the page and your custom dashboard is ready to view. And that's how reports and dashboards in Salesforce can help you turn your data into actionable insights. So try it out and make informed decisions faster and run your meetings without the hassle of manual reporting. Stay tuned for more such videos on getting started with Salesforce. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.